Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix the camera bug in Roblox Mobile. Before moving on to the video guys, don't forget to leave a like. So the first thing you can do is simply change the game you are playing in Roblox, because some games are affected by this bug more than others. So I recommend changing the game and see if that fixes it guys. If that still not fix the problem, I recommend opening the settings. Select the Roblox icon and select settings. Now movement mode change to classic thumbsticks. Toggle this to classic thumbstick guys, and after changing it, close the settings. Hopefully that can fixes the problem guys. If you find you are still having the Roblox camera bug or camera glitch in Roblox Mobile, I recommended doing close the Roblox mobile app and open App Store or Play Store guys. You just need to search for Roblox in here and click on the Roblox. And if you have any available updates over here, you just need to update it guys. This can fix the problem guys. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.